What if I told you that right now there are 5 free AI tools that could do half your work for you? No paid subscriptions, no credit card, no experience needed. And the crazy part? Most people have never even heard of them. Today, we're revealing the 5 best free AI tools of 2026 that will make you work 10 times faster starting today. Let's go.
Tool number 1, ChatGPT. Now, before you say, I already know this one, trust me, you're probably using it wrong. Most people use ChatGPT like Google. They type a question, get an answer, and close it. That's like buying a Ferrari and only using it for parking. Here's what ChatGPT can actually do for free in 2026. Write complete blog posts in 30 seconds. Generate business ideas tailored to your skills. Reply to emails professionally in your tone. Create entire marketing strategies. Summarize huge documents in seconds. Real life example? Imagine you have a job interview tomorrow. You open ChatGPT and type, act as an interview coach. I'm applying for a marketing manager position. Give me the top 10 questions they will ask and perfect answers. In 10 seconds, you have a complete interview preparation guide. That used to take hours. Now it takes seconds. ChatGPT free version is more powerful than ever in 2026, and most people are leaving it completely untouched.
Tool number 2, Canva AI. Design used to require years of experience, expensive software, complicated tools, design degrees. Not anymore. Canva AI in 2026 has completely changed the game. Here's what you can do for free. Generate complete social media posts in 1 click. Create professional presentations in minutes. Design YouTube thumbnails that actually get clicks. Build brand kits automatically. Remove backgrounds instantly. Real-life use case. You need a professional Instagram post for your business. Open Canva, type what you want. AI generates 10 different designs in seconds. Pick the best one, download, post. What used to take a professional designer 2 hours now takes you 2 minutes. And the best part? You don't need any design skills whatsoever. Canva AI free version gives you access to thousands of templates, AI image generation, and one-click design tools, all completely free. And
Tool number 3, ElevenLabs. This one is absolutely insane. ElevenLabs converts any text into a human-sounding voice. Not a robot voice, not a weird computerized sound, a real, natural, professional human voice. Free features include 10,000 characters per month free, multiple voice options, different accents and styles, download in MP3 format instantly. Real-life use case? You want to create a YouTube video but don't want to record your own voice. Type your script into ElevenLabs. Choose a professional voice. Click Generate. Download your voiceover in 30 seconds. Podcasters, YouTubers, and content creators are using this tool to produce professional content without ever speaking a single word. This is literally the tool that is powering the faceless YouTube channel revolution in 2026.
Tool number 4, Notion AI. If your life feels disorganized and chaotic, Notion AI is about to change everything. Notion is already the most powerful notes and planning app in the world. But with AI added, it becomes your personal assistant, project manager, and life organizer all in one. Free features? AI writing inside your notes, automatic task organization, meeting notes summarized instantly, project planning templates, database creation with 1 click. Real life use case? You just finished a long business meeting. Open Notion AI, paste your rough notes, click Summarize. In 5 seconds, you get a clean summary, action items listed, next steps organized, everything categorized perfectly. What used to take 30 minutes of organizing now happens automatically. Students use it for study notes, entrepreneurs use it for business planning, freelancers use it for client management. Notion AI Free Plan gives you enough power to completely transform how you organize your life. Tool number 5, and this one will blow your mind. Gamma AI. Have you ever spent hours making a PowerPoint presentation? Choosing colors, finding images, aligning text, making it look professional? Gamma AI does all of that in 30 seconds. Seriously, you type your topic, Gamma AI generates a complete professional presentation with beautiful design automatically, relevant images included, perfect layout on every slide, smooth animations added, ready to present immediately. Real life use case. Your boss asks for a presentation on AI trends in 2026, due in 1 hour. Open Gamma AI, type create a presentation on AI trends in 2026, 10 slides. Click generate. In 30 seconds, a stunning, complete, professional presentation is ready. Your colleagues spent 3 hours making theirs. You spent 30 seconds. That is the power of Gamma AI. Free plan gives you 10 AI generations per month, more than enough to get started.
So let's recap the 5 free AI tools that will make you 10x more productive in 2026. Number 1, ChatGPT for writing, ideas, and automation. Number 2, Canva AI for design and content creation. Number 3, ElevenLabs for professional voiceovers. Number 4, Notion AI for organization and planning. Number 5, Gamma AI for presentations in seconds. Here's the truth nobody tells you. The people winning in 2026 are not working harder. They are working smarter with AI. These tools are free. They are available right now, and they are waiting for you to use them. The only question is, will you?
Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 tools are you going to try first? Drop your answer in the comments right now. And if you want more videos about AI tools, automation, and how to work smarter in 2026, like this video, subscribe to AIgent, and hit that notification bell. Because every week we bring you the best AI tools and strategies completely free. See you in the next one.